Hey everyone, Gilder Gray Man Prepping. So I've unboxed the shop vac dust separator and I got it hooked up, and so I'm going to show you it and I'm going to run it through a test and we're going to see how well it works. Okay, here it is hooked up to the shop vac. I got a pile of stuff over here to use, so I'm going to go around there and move the camera around here a little bit. And I got a pile of crap here to shop vac up. It's going to get loud when the shop vac comes on. I'll try to remember to mute the sound a little bit, or at least turn it down some. Okay, I vacuumed some more stuff that was back over there too. So what you, I don't even know if it'll ever show up if I try putting the camera close to the unit here. But I could just barely see the swirling dust going around, and I could see shadows inside the bucket going. So I know there's stuff down here inside the bucket here. So let's go over here and take a look as I open it up and see what's going on inside. All right, so take that off. There we go. Oh, there's a lot of stuff down in there. Yeah. Now, let's take a look inside the shop vac here and see what is down inside of there. Because I had emptied this out beforehand, so nothing. Cool. There's really nothing in there. The filter's still clean. So yeah, it works great. Yeah, so that worked absolutely fantastic. That's going to make it so much nicer cleaning up in here about, plugging up the shop vac and everything. Sometimes when I vacuum in here to get up the dust and the pieces of stuff I've cut up on the chop saw over here, and sometimes I'll be cutting PVC pipes, and that stuff's just nasty to collect, and it plugs up the filter really quick. But it all went inside the bucket here, and none of it made it into the shop vac itself. So that's going to make it a lot easier. I can vacuum a whole bunch longer, and this is quicker and easier to empty out. I don't have to worry about cleaning the filter, it seems. So things are going to get interesting. Later on, I'll do another test over here on the chop saw, but it is absolutely freezing out here. My hands are getting cold, so I'm going to go into the shop. But remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. including things you need to keep the house clean or your shop clean, garage clean. All right, see you around.